To set these systems up, we have to make sure we draw from every portion of the basement or the foundation areas. To do this, we drill a small hole down through the floor in the outside corners of the basement floor to get into the subgrade to see if this is to test whether we are drawing or not to that point. Once we have the system set up, we want to be able to draw to each one of these points. That means we'll get a draw underneath the whole basement floor. Now, the way we do this is we have a little smoker. After we drill the hole, we can blow a little smoke over the hole. And I don't know if you can see this, but this hole takes it sometimes, takes the smoke, and sometimes it blows it back at us. That means we've got some airflow underneath there. And once we get the system set up, and this is before the system's been turned on, once we get that system set up, it will draw the smoke down, and that's the only direction it'll go. Therefore, it'll snag the radon and carry it on out through our system and out away from the house. The radon piping system that ventilates the radon will run from the drain tile that's underneath the floor of the basement from this hole. We'll connect up to it and run the pipe on up and overhead and go through, connect up with a pipe that goes on up through a closet on the main floor and then on out through the roof of the house, which creates a pressure underneath the floor, a little lower air pressure to pull the radon away. The radon pipe runs through the closet ceiling and on up into the attic. Then up in the attic we have the fan and an electrical outlet where it's plugged into. Then the piping runs right on out through the roof. The fan is in line, and as it runs, it pulls air through this piping from the basement on up and out, along with the radon.